What's up, YouTube? It's Kenny again. Some real talk today. I've been sitting here for 2 days and trying to get this delivery rescheduled to this Walmart. And I'm starting to second guess myself, all right? You know, the way my brain works, I get these harebrained ideas, and, you know, with being out here by myself and only really having me and my brain to keep me company, you know. As I've been like changing, you know, thinking about adapting my strategy in different ways, and you know, thinking about moving my accounts all to Fidelity and just all this stuff going through my head. I've been like removing some stuff from my watch list, adding some stuff to my watch list, and looking at some different things. And, you know, before I start, I want to give the disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, guys. I'm just a truck driver driving across the country, researching and trading stocks, and I will not be held responsible for any moves you make in the stock market. Not ever. I'm not your mama. Do your own research. I'm not your mama, all right? You know, what I'm going to talk about in this video could be a really risky move. I don't know if I'm going to do it. I don't know. You know, it's not a final decision. And if you follow me, if I do it, it could be a really bad decision. So do your own fucking research, all right? Subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button. Leave me a comment and talk me out of it. And join the fucking Patreon. So like I say, as I sit here alone with my thoughts and messing around with my watch list, looking at different stocks, I'm seeing some opportunities. And I'm having to ask myself, am I doing things differently because I have a YouTube channel and I'm interfacing with an audience? Like, am I making choices that I would not normally have made before I started talking about this stuff on YouTube? And I'm not sure. I think that I might be. Like, when I'm looking at, when I'm changing the stocks that I'm looking at, I'm seeing opportunities for swing trades. And I'm starting to feel like I'm hurting myself by sitting here waiting with my money not making me any money. And if you've been following me since the beginning, you know that I used to always be like, I would rather just get out of something than have my money sit there not making me any money, not doing anything for me. And this time that I've spent holding on to these stocks, my account has just been going down. And I'm at the point right now where I'm about $300 away from actually being in the red. And I'm starting to feel like that if I would have been instead looking for the volatile stocks like I used to always do, I could have still been making money throughout this time period that I've been holding these stocks. I believe in these stocks. You know, I do believe in Hyliion long-term, Lordstown long-term, Tesla long-term, OEG long-term. You know, I believe in these stocks. But at the same time, I'm losing money right now. I'm losing all my profits back, and I'm seeing opportunities in stocks like SOXL and T-Mobile, and, you know, even like Berkshire Hathaway and some of these other stocks, that I'm seeing that if I was to just go ahead and liquidate everything that I've got, wait for one of these little couple red days to happen like they've been doing, and then dump the whole 8,000 into something like SOXL and wait for that 6% day, like I feel like I could bring my total back up some more. And I'm starting to think about it. You know, it's weird that me having this YouTube channel, like when my account started going down, okay, when all this stuff happened, I kind of felt this obligation to you guys as my subscribers to like try to not take as much of a risk, or try to, you know, not look like I'm selling out of the stuff that I've pumped to you guys and stuff like that. And I feel like this dynamic, this pressure mentally that having this YouTube channel has started to put on me may have affected the way that I'm approaching the stock market. I really think it has, guys. And like, I really feel like that if I was to just liquidate everything and start looking for opportunities for swing trades, I think that I could not be like hemorrhaging money like I have been over these last few months. And, you know, I got to be honest with you. It's boring as fuck. It's boring as fuck sitting here just waiting in a holding pattern. And, you know, I know that the stuff's eventually going to come back. But the question is, couldn't I have made some swing trades during this time and then bought back in? I mean, I think that might have been the better strategy. And, you know, I still don't feel like it's too late. I feel like if I liquidated everything today, I could find me some swing trades and make some money. And I'm thinking about it, guys. And I want you guys as my subscribers to realize that it's not because, if I do it, it's not because I don't believe in Hyliion or I don't believe in Lordstown Motors. It's because I'm here to make some money. And if these aren't making me any money right now, then my strategy and my thought process has always been that I need to cut losses and go find something that will make me some money. And so, like, I don't know. I just don't know that it's beneficial for me to wait around for another 3 or 4 months when I could be making some little $100 here, a couple $100 there. You know, I'm starting to think that having this YouTube channel and feeling kind of obligated to my subscribers has slanted the way that I'm approaching the stock market. I mean, I still maintain that we're not having these double ups and triple ups and SPACs and shit like that. But some of these other stocks have been quite volatile, and there have been opportunities, even in like Tesla and in Hyliion, Lordstown Motors. We've had these little $1, $1.50 moves, you know, and if you buy enough shares, that's several $100s. And so I'm considering it, guys. I'm considering it. And then, you know, after I play around a little bit and get my totals up for a few months, then maybe I can start thinking about coming back into them as they're $9, $10 down in these low prices. But for right now, I'm starting to feel like if I don't make some kind of move, that it could hurt me in the long run, because I've got targets. You know, I'm not going to hit my target already, I don't feel like, by the end of the year. My target was 25,000. I don't believe I'm going to hit it. And I believe that I've screwed myself into not hitting it, when what I should have done was gone ahead and sold and then started to look for different opportunities. And I'm not saying like following hedge funds and all that stuff like I've railed against. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about finding other things that are acting in the similar ways to what the stocks I was swing trading were acting like. And I think that that's a mistake on my part, that I didn't immediately do that I didn't immediately go ahead and sell at that 10 or 15% down mark and follow my original rules that I had set for myself. And I really feel like having this YouTube channel has contributed to that. And I'm starting to really feel like I should just liquidate everything and like reassess my original strategy. If that means that you guys hate me because I sold Hyliion, or hate me because I sold this or that and stuff like that, then, you know, my money is more important. And so the decision that I make is going to be based on my money and not based on, you know, how I feel like you guys are going to feel about it. And, you know, that's the real talk. You know what I mean? The real talk is, this is about me trying to make some fucking money And I think that I've screwed myself because of feeling obligated to the subscribers here on YouTube. And let's be real, I mean, I only got 1,600 subscribers, and it ain't really growing that much. And the Patreon ain't doing me that much. So, you know, I mean, I believe that I've got my priorities kind of in the wrong place. And I think I need to start getting back to the place where the money and the gains are my priority, even if they're small. Because for the most part, my gains, other than a few really good trades that I made, most of my gains have been smaller gains. And I'm in a position right now where I'm almost going to be back down below what I've put in the Roth IRA. And I don't want to get to that spot, no matter how much I think that in a year or two it's going to go way back up. I don't know. Let me know what you think. I'm trying to be rational. I'm trying to approach this from a more selfish way than I have been. Like, I have been kind of like, well, if I don't keep doing this, you know, my subscribers, because a lot of them really love Hyliion, and I love Hyliion, and I think Hyliion's got a great future in front of it. But I just feel like this sitting around waiting is not the way for me to meet my personal goals. And I'm getting to the point. I'm getting real close to the point where I'm going to start looking for upswings to liquidate. You know, maybe look for a upswing and liquidate, and look for that over a week or so, and get just as much out of it as I can. You know, get off the losses just as much as I can, which ain't going to be much, and then start looking for some ways to get some swing trades going. I don't know. Cuss me out. Tell me what you think. I've always said I ain't your mama. Make your own decisions. Do your own research. You know, I shouldn't feel like I'm obligated to act a certain way in the stock market because I've got a YouTube channel. Surely you can agree with that. I need to do what I think is the right way for me to grow my account. And right now, I don't feel like I'm doing that. I feel like I'm just kind of, you know, I don't know, like sitting here, sitting on my fucking hands, you know, with my thumb up my ass, when I should be like busting my ass trying to find some places to make some profits. So I don't know. Let me know what you think. Hit that subscribe button, like the video, join the fucking Patreon. Thanks for watching.